Live from the world's capital markets, here are the latest financial headlines brought to you by News Factory.
Hello and welcome to Wednesday's financial news. Stay with us for more market headlines.
The dollar got a slight bump of 0.2% against the yen in the last session. The stochastic RSI is giving a negative signal. The Bitcoin dollar pair dove 1.1% in the last session. The Williams indicator is giving a negative signal. The gold dollar pair saw a minor dip of 0.2% in the last session. The CCI is giving a positive signal. The oil dollar pair plummeted 1.2% in the last session. The RSI is giving a negative signal, which matches our overall technical analysis.
Coming up, the choices from our chief analyst for today.
Oil prices were broadly stable, recouping some losses incurred earlier in the session on the back of surging cases of coronavirus in Japan and a weak demand picture in Asia. The Canadian dollar weakened to its lowest level in nearly 4 weeks against its U.S. counterpart, as China's crackdown on tech companies weighed on investor sentiment. Line's exit from South Korea shows potential for many foreign exchanges to pull or limit services within the country ahead of tougher regulations.
Those were today's major economic events, and now moving on to world financial headlines.
The Eurozone's Consumer Price Index will be released at 900 GMT, the UK's Retail Price Index at 600 GMT, Japan's Foreign Bond Investment at 2350 GMT. Japan's foreign investment in Japan stocks will be released at 2350 GMT, the UK's Consumer Price Index at 600 GMT, the US housing starts at 1230 GMT.
We hope that you've enjoyed Wednesday's market outlook. On behalf of all of us here, we wish you a productive trading day. Be sure to join us tomorrow morning for the latest news and events from the financial markets.